Hello, good morning students. Progressions, we are discussing about geometric. So, geometric progression means multiplying a fixed number to the next number. That means 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. We already discussed about it. Question 6.5 exercise A1 given 9, R is equal to 1 by 3. Find A7. I already told nth term of GP is AR to the power of n minus 1. If you want A7, seventh term, it must be AR power 7 minus 1 means 6. Okay, here A1, A means first term given 9 into 1 by 3 whole to the power of 6. That is equal to 9 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 6 times of 1 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 3 cancel. That is equal to 1 by 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81. This is the seventh term of GP. Next question, A1 is equal to minus 12, R is equal to 1 by 3. Find A6. A6 means AR power 5, reduce one number, AR power 5. A means minus 12, 1 by 3 whole to the power of 5. Minus 12 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 5 times of 1 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. Minus 4 into 1 by 3 power 4, 81. That is equal to minus 4 by 81. Okay. Next, which term of the GP? In geometric progression, which term is so and so number? Suppose 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. Which term is 32 is which term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth term is the 32. Which term is 256? Eighth term. Which term is 512? Ninth term. Which term is 1024? 10th term. This is ninth term. This is eighth term. This is seventh, sixth. Okay. Suppose the question is 2, 4, 8 and so on is 512. In the series of, this is the question, this is the example, explanation example. Which term is 512? We know already, ninth term is 512. So how can we prove? First, A is equal to 2, R is equal to 4 by 2. That means 2. Okay. AN, how much? 512. Which term? Means nth term is 512. So what is the formula for AN? AR power n minus 1 is equal to 512. A means 2, R means 2. 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 512. send 2 this side. 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 2 is multiplying that side. If you take this side, that means transpose it, it will divide. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 256. 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 256. Prime factorization of 256. 2 128 ja, 264 ja, 232 ja, 216 ja, 28 ja, 24 ja, 22 ja. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 8. As the bases are same, powers must be same, equal. So n minus 1 is equal to 8. Bases same. So powers are equal. N is equal to minus 1 transpose plus 1. N is equal to 9. Already 512 is the ninth term. This is the example and this one is the question. Okay. Next, 2, 8, 32 and so on is 512. Here A is equal to 2, R is equal to 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. An how much? Again 512. An means A r power n minus 1 is equal to 512. A means 2. R means 4. 4 power n minus 1 is equal to 512. 4 power n minus 1 is equal to 512 by 2, that is equal to 256. In previous problem, I cancelled it to 2 ja 4, to 5 ja, to 6 ja. 4 power n minus 1 is equal to 256. 256 divide with 4, because here base we are having 4. 4 6 ja 256. 4 4 6 ja 24. 4 4 ja 16. Again 4 1 ja 4 6 ja 4 4 ja 1 2 3 4. 4 power n minus 1 is equal to, instead of 256 we will write 4 power 4. As the bases are same, powers must be equal. N minus 1 is equal to 4. N is equal to 4 plus 1. N is equal to 5th. Fifth term is 512. What is the fourth term? 128. Okay. Next, root 3, 3 root 3 is 729. So which term of this is 729? Here A is equal to root 3, R is equal to 3 by root 3. So we can write 3 root 3 into root 3 by root 3. 3 means root 3 into root 3. Suppose A, we can write it A root A into root A. B means root B into root B. So we can write a rational number product of two irrational numbers, same numbers. That suppose 5 is the number, we can write it root 5 into root 5. Because root 5 into root 5 is equal to, again it will become 5. So here root 3 and root 3 cancel, that is equal to root 3. So ratio R is the common ratio is root 3 and first term also root 3. Now an given, an how much? 729. An means a r power n minus 1 is equal to 729. Okay. A means root 3, r means root 3 whole to the power of n minus 1, that is equal to 729. Root 3 whole to the power of 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to 729. Why? This one. A power m into a power n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So loss of indices. Here let root 3 is a. So a power m means 1. Root 3 power 1 into root 3 power n minus 1. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here minus 1 and minus 1 and plus 1 cancel. We will get root 3 whole to the power of m is equal to 729. Root 3 means 3 power 1 by 2 whole to the power of n. So in root a also a power 1 by 2. Root b also b power 1 by 2. So root 3 means 3 power 1 by 2 whole to the power of n is equal to 729. So 3 power 1 by 2 whole to the power of n means a power m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. This is also loss of indices. So 3 power 1 by 2 into n by 2 is equal to 729. 729 prime factorization. 3 2 ja, 2 4 ja, 3 3 ja. Again 3 8 ja, 3 1 ja. Again 3 27 ja. 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 power n by 2 is equal to 3 power 6. As the bases are same, powers must be equal. N by 2 is equal to 6. N is equal to 6 into 2. N is equal to 12. Therefore, 12th term is A R. First we find A and R. An is equal to 729. An means AR power n minus 1 is equal to 729. Root 3 power 1 into root 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 729. As per indices, a power m into a power n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Similarly, root 3 power 1 plus n minus 1 here. Minus 1 and plus 1 cancel. Root 3 power n is equal to 729. Root 3 power n is equal to 729. 3 power 1 by 2 whole to the power of n is equal to 729. A power m into a power n is equal to mn. A power mn. Mn means 1 by 2 into n by 2 is equal to 729. 3 power n by 2 is equal to 3 power 6 because prime factorization. So where the bases are same, powers must be equal. N by 2 is equal to 6. Therefore n is equal to 6 into 2. That is equal to 12. Therefore 12th term of GP is 729. Another question. 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 is 1 by 2187. Here also A is equal to 1 by 3, R is equal to A2 by A1, 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. 1 by 9 into 1 by 3, denominator will become invert, 3 by 1. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. It is equal to 1 by An given. An is equal to 1 by 2187. AR to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2187. A means 1 by 3 into R also 1 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2187. 1 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2187 into 3 by 1, because 1 by 3 will become 3 by 1. If you transpose it, 3 is dividing, it will multiply, that means 3 by 1. 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 9 ja. Divide 729, divide 2187 by 3. 3 7 ja, 21, 3 2 ja, 6, 3 9 ja. So 1 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 1 is equal to, in previous problem 729 prime factorization, in previous problem also we did it, 3 2 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 243, 381 ja, 327 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 power 6. 1 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3, we can write it 1 by 3 whole to the power of 6. As the bases are same, powers must be equal. So n minus 1 is equal to 6. N is equal to 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. Therefore, seventh term is 1 by 2187. Next, find twelfth term of GP question number 5. Find the 12th term of GP. 8th term is 192 and common ratio is 2. So here common ratio is given, first term is not given. A8 given, A8 is equal to 192. A8 means AR power 8 minus 1 means 7. That is equal to 192. A means we have to find. R means 2 to the power of 7. Because R is given in question, is equal to 192. A into, what is the value of 2 to the power of 7? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 7 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4, 7. 2 to the 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So this value is 128. A power 128. A power 2 power 7. 128 is equal to 192. But A is equal to 192 by 128. 4 3 ja, 4 2 ja, 4 4 ja, 16. 4 8 ja, 16 2 ja, 16 3 ja, 3 by 2. So we got A is equal to 3 by 2. First term and a common ratio, if you know these two, we will get any term. So we have to find A power A12, sorry. A12 means AR power 11. Okay. A means 3 by 2. Into R means 2 to the power of 11. That is equal to 3 by 2 into 2 to the power of 11. 2 to the power of 11, 10 into 2 power 1, because 2 to the power of 11 means we can write it 2 power 10 into 2 to the power of 1, a power m into a power n, again it will become 2 to the power of 11. So 2, 1, 2 cancel. 3 into 2 to the power of 10 means here we multiply 2 to the power of 2 7 times. So again 3 times 2 into 2 into 2. So 128 into 8, 1024. That is equal to 3072. 3 4 is 12, 2 is 6 plus 1 7, 0, 3 1 is 3. So this is the 12th term of the GP. Again A8 is equal to 192 given AR power 7. So using this one we found here A is equal to A value 3 by 2. A into 2 to the power of 7 is equal to 192. A into 2 to the power of 7 value is 128. So A is equal to 192 by 128. We will get 3 by 2. How it means 4. We divide both numerator and denominator with 4. 4 4 is 16, 4 8 is 32, 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8. 48 and 32. These values are in 16 table. 16 3 is 16 2 is 3 by 2. We know the value of A and R. R already given in the question. A12 is equal to AR power 11. A means 3 by 2 into 2 to the power of 11. 3 by 2 into 2 to the power of 11 means 10, 2 power 10 into 2 power 1. Suppose 2 to the power of 12 is there, 2 to the power of 11 into 2 to the power of 1. Suppose 2 power 13, 2 power 12 into 2 to the power of 1. We can write it. Okay. Here 2, 1, 2 cancel. 2 to the power of 10 value is 1024. 1024 into 3 is equal to 3072. So this is the value of 12th term. Okay. Next, 4th term given 2 by 3 and 7th term given 16 by 18. Find this series. 4th term is given and 7th term given 16 by 81. Find this series. Suppose 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96, 192. Next, 384. So these are 7 terms. Example. This one is example 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96, 192 and 384. This is the series. In the question, 4th term is 24 and 7th term is 384. We have to write series like this. 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96, 192. This is the series. Should write A4. AR cube is equal to 2 by 3. A7 is equal to AR power 6. Let it is first equation. This one is second equation. 2 by 1. Second equation. AR power 6 by AR cube is equal to, what is the AR power 6? 7th term 16 by 81 by 2 by 3. Okay. 16 by 81 into 3 by 2. So denominator will be invert. 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. Here a cancel. R power 6 by R cube. A power m by a power n. A power m minus n. R power 6 minus 3. That is equal to R cube. R cube. 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja. 3 1 ja, 3 27 ja. 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube. 27, prime factorization, 3 into 3 into 3, 27. R cube is equal to, instead of 8 we can write 2 cube. Instead of 27 we can write 3 power 3, 3 cube. R cube is equal to 2 by 3 whole cube. R is equal to 2 by 3. Because powers are equal, bases must be same. Powers here is 3 and 3. So we should equate the bases. R is equal to 2 by 3. Substitute R is equal to 2 by 3 in second equation or first equation. R means 2 by 3 whole cube is equal to 2 by 3. This is the first equation. AR cube is equal to 2 by 3. A is equal to 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 whole cube. That is equal to 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. 2 cancel, 3 cancel. That is equal to 3 by 2 whole square. That is equal to 9 by 4 or 3 square by 2 square. Both are same. Now the series. What is the general form of GP? Geometric progression. AR square. Okay. A means 3 by 2 whole square. AR 3 by 2 whole square into R 2 by 3. AR square 3 by 2 whole square into 2 by 3 whole square. 3 by 2 whole square means 9 by 4. 9 by 4 into 2 by 3. 9 by 4 into 4 by 9. 9 by 4. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. 3 by 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. 2. 9 9 cancel. 4 4 cancel. That means 1. And so this is the series. Tomorrow I will explain again this question because calculations are more. Okay, bye students.
వాళ్ళకి నీటి కనపడాలా అని ఎక్కువసేపు
షైనింగ్ వస్తుంది.
ఆయన కూడా
బాయ్
చూస్తాను కళ్ళు కూడా చూస్తాను
బాయ్
ఇంతకు స్టాప్ ఏదో వచ్చు చూస్తూ మొగమా
కాగా
అలాగే